ISO, the International Organization for Standardization. ISO could also be described as the Interesting Stories Organization. ISO offers some 16,500 international standards. ISO standards help people worldwide in business, government and society at large to solve problems and achieve objectives. Behind every ISO standard, there is a story to tell. This is the story of one of them, ISO 14001. ISO 14001, the world's environmental management standard. The standard for organizations committed to taking care of the environment while taking care of their customers. Every organization in private and public sectors, manufacturing and services has an impact on the environment. It's easy to agree that organizations should reduce to the minimum any harmful effects of their activities on the environment. The problem is to decide what needs to be done. After all, every organization is different. That's where ISO 14001 has proved to be astonishingly successful. Launched in 1996, ISO 14001 is now implemented in 138 countries. The reason why ISO 14001 is successfully implemented by people of so many different cultures, in so many different types of organization, in so many different countries, is because ISO 14001 specifies what requirements an environmental management system must meet. However, it does not dictate how to meet the requirements in a particular organization. Because of this flexibility, ISO 14001 users include school children, municipalities and national governments, small businesses, multinational corporations and the not-for-profit sector, industrialized countries, transition economies and developing nations. ISO 14001 provides organizations of all types with the requirements of a state-of-the-art environmental management system. This is a tool enabling them to take a systematic approach to identifying the environmental impact of their activities, setting environmental objectives and targets, achieving these objectives and demonstrating that they have been achieved to management, employees, shareholders, customers, neighbours, regulators, environmentalists and the public. Implementing ISO 14001 can lead to benefits like less pollution, reduced costs of waste management, savings in consumption of energy, resources and raw materials, lower distribution costs, improved corporate image among regulators, customers and the public, continual improvement of environmental performance. Today, ISO 14001 is thoroughly integrated with the global economy. It facilitates the growth of global businesses and supply chains, provides a technical basis for regulations, gives new economic players an opening to export trade and business process outsourcing, supports the rise of services like eco-tourism, transfers good practice to developing countries and transition economies, helps to preserve cultural heritage, enables a sustainable future. ISO 14001 is one of a family of standards developed by ISO Technical Committee ISO TC 207, Environmental Management, which brings together expertise from 100 countries and 39 regional or international organizations. In addition to environmental management systems, the standards in the ISO 14000 family constitute a toolbox for tackling specific environmental challenges, including greenhouse gas accounting and verification, environmental aspects of products, environmental labeling, environmental performance evaluation, life cycle analysis and environmental communication. The new ISO 14064 and 65 standards for use in greenhouse gas accounting, verification and emissions trading are practical tools to support international efforts to mitigate climate change. ISO 14001 is one of more than 16,500 international standards developed by ISO for a sustainable world. ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, with more than 16,500 interesting stories to tell.